Hello crafty friends, welcome to World Card Making Day, and I hope you enjoy the projects that we are sharing with you. So our hop, who is going to be in it, is myself. We have also Leslie with Mermaid Cove Studio. We also have Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind. We have Debbie Adams, Curating Memories. And we also have Tiffany McGill, Crafting Like a Boss, coming straight from Germany for you. Okay. Oh, I tell you, I can't believe she moved to Germany, but I'm so excited for her. I bet it's a lot of fun there. Okay, so let me show you a little bit of what I used first, okay? So for my first card, I used Paper Phenomenon's card boxes and bows, okay? And currently I have just made the card. So I believe this is like a year's worth of cards, and they're all different cards. And then she has a box that you can put everything in, and it fits your cards, the envelopes, your pen, and all sorts of other little, goodies like tags or something like that. So I can't wait to show that to you when I finish that. But I want to let you know that Kathy with Paper Phenomenon has decided to make this 60% off for 24 hours today. So you definitely want to check that out. That includes the written tutorials and the video tutorials in this thing. And I believe it's the cards, boxes, and bows 1 and 2. Okay, but if I'm wrong, I apologize. But I think it's 1 and 2, okay, all into one tutorial. So I use the written tutorial for this as well as the videos. And so the next thing that I used, okay, for my card is I used the Enchanted Shadows that I designed for Paper Phenomenon. And I hope you all love this too. If you want a full video reveal of everything that's in here, because it is 54 pages. I will have the link down below, and so you can check that out, as well as all the links to these items. Okay, so let me get on into the card that I made, and it was so easy to make, guys. Sorry, hold on, it's a little bit sticky here, but so what I made right here is this. Isn't this cute? So this is the paper collection, and I just kind of fussy cut things out. I went ahead and inked it with the black soot from Tim Holtz, the distressed ink. And then on the inside, I have the little window that Kathy shows you how to create. And these little words right here were actually just given to me in a swap. So I definitely am putting them to use already with my cards. And it was Hocus Pocus. And I don't know what metal cutting die she used, or if she cut these out on her Cricut or Silhouette, I don't know. This little stamp, and I forgot to mention that, was actually from the Matilda and Godfrey years ago, Halloween with Matilda and Godfrey from Photoplay, so in case you're interested in that. But isn't this super stinking cute? I love how it has a little window, and it's easy to do. And then I went ahead and made the envelope myself, but I believe in the tutorial she says that it is an A2 card. I think so. I do know that the this card is I think 4.5 by 5. Let me just double check. So it's a little under 4.5. Okay, so 4 3/8 by 5.5. Okay, so guys, really easy peasy, guys. I hope you all love this one. And then I designed this one myself that I'm about to show you. So I created a print and cut file for you all. It is a Care Bear, okay, and it even has a little cutout dots and all this. I will say that this is the first time I've ever had Cricut not cut the dots or cut stuff where it's supposed to cut it. I don't know. I think I need to retune it. I'm assuming, because I've never had that happen before. They've had a lot of updates recently. Now, I do have this separate as a cut file, right, for the Get Well Soon. But what I did was I went ahead and I kept the green background and did a print and cut, set it at print and cut, as well as a Get Well Soon to black and set it to print and cut. And then I attached them together and then flattened them to create a full print and cut where it wouldn't do it separately, right? and I found that was a lot easier because this word is a very thin font, okay? And then I have this cute little sunshine bear, and then of course we have our Band-Aid, and then on the inside I also have the print and cut of wishing you a speedy recovery. And so I hope you all really love this, and if you are interested in it, you can email me at saltybeachscrapperdesigns@gmail.com. I'll have that email down below, okay? So anyway, guys, as I said, all the links are down below. Please check out our ladies too and see what they've made. I will be doing a giveaway for you all. It is probably going to be a item through Amazon, okay? So it'll probably be a crafty item. If you are not from the United States, it will be a monetary gift, okay, that I will send to you. So anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all soon with another project. Bye-bye, guys.